Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create a freehand sketch without color using a computer. Okay, let's start. First is click the freehand and try to create line of form a body of fish. Then after that, draw a tail of fish. And also add to draw a eye. And after that, ready to design your fish. Any design to make it presentable and nice. The next video I'll show you how to create a freehand sketch with colors using a computer. First is click a freehand and create a line to form a body of fish. And also, don't forget to click the end point for not to hard color your fish. After form the body of fish, just draw the tail and eyes. Then ready to design your fish. After that, it's ready to choose the color of your output. Our next video is I'll show you how to create 2D SketchUp. First is click 2D arc and start form a body of fish. By endpoint and draw a tail also a eyes and ready to design and add color to your output make presentable and beautiful. Our last video is I'll show you how to create basic 3D model using SketchUp on a computer. First is use the scroll wheel to zoom in out, then select the rectangle tool from the left toolbar. Click on the origin point and drag out to draw a flat rectangle. Then click the push and pull tool. Click on the surface of the triangle and drag it up forward to make it 3D box. Then start to draw your fish by using 3D arc. Then ready to design and add color to your output, make presentable and beautiful. After that, Just click again, push and pull to must be presentable 3D arc.